This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,295 RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, oven, external shower, air conditioning, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, TV, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.